Hey guys, this is Sharpest the unbeatable soccer team star. Today I want to show you Betpawa Virtual Football Cheat 2023, making use of one-on-one calculation. Without further ado, make sure you watch this video with keen interest. All you have to do in order to make use of this one-on-one calculation is to let's now go to the previous result. This is our previous result, and we all know our four major things inside matrix formula, which is the first formula of Sharpest Formula 101. Man City, Liverpool, Arsenal, and Everton. So those are our four major things. Now, in order to make use of one-on-one calculation, we have three teams category. We have strong teams category, we have balanced teams category, and we have the weak teams category. So these are the list of strong teams category. Liverpool, Chelsea, they are in strong teams. Man City in strong teams. Man U in strong teams. Arsenal in strong teams. And Tottenham in strong teams category. Balanced teams category, we have West Ham, we have Brentford, we have Wolverhampton, we have Sheffield United, we have Everton, we have Newcastle, we have Burnley, we have Brighton, we have Fulham, we have Aston Villa, we have Crystal Palace. Those are in balanced teams category. Now, weak teams category, we have Bournemouth in weak teams category, and so on. So, in order to make, we also have Sheffield. We have Bournemouth in weak teams category. We have Fulham in weak teams category. We have Lut, L-U-T, in weak teams category. We have Not, N-O-T, in weak teams category. So those are weak teams category. And in order to select them over 2.5, making use of one-on-one calculation, make sure two teams meeting each other are in the same category. For instance, in strong teams category, something like Liverpool versus Chelsea, as you can see it on your screen right now. Liverpool versus Chelsea, anytime they are meeting each other, you can place them once they are over 2.5 odd is in media method. So that is one-on-one calculation, and it is one of the best formula to win virtual football on Betpower. It is one of the best formula inside Sharpest Formula 101 PDF ebook, which is the PDF and ebook for virtual football cheat for 2023. Right now, as you can see it on your screen, make sure you focus on two teams that are in same category. That is known as one-on-one calculation. Once they have media odds, so you can see Crystal Palace versus Bournemouth. Crystal Palace is in balanced teams category. Bournemouth is in weak teams category, which means it is not one-on-one calculation. Fulham versus Aston Villa. Fulham is in weak teams category. Aston Villa is in balanced team category. So no, Fulham is in balanced team, Aston Villa is in balanced team. So that is best signal for one-on-one. Liverpool and Chelsea, both of them are in strong teams category. That is best signal for one-on-one calculation. Lut is in weak teams, while Man City is in strong teams. So it is not a good signal for one-on-one calculation. Man U is in strong teams, Brighton is in balanced team. It is not signal for one-on-one. Newcastle and Burnley, both of them are in strong teams, are in balanced teams. So it is good signal. Nottingham is in weak teams, where Everton is in balanced teams. It is not a signal. Sheffield is in weak teams, where Arsenal is in strong. It is not a signal. Tottenham and Wolf. Tottenham is in strong teams. Wolf is in balanced teams. It is not a signal. Brentford and West Ham, both of them are in balanced teams. So that is a good signal. So any two teams that are in same category having media odds. Now let's go to the next match. You can see Arsenal and Chelsea, both of them are in strong teams category. Let's look up to their odds. If their odds is in middle odds, which is media method, that means they can play over 2.5. So let's look up to another teams which are same category. West Ham and Newcastle, both of them are in balanced teams, so they are good signal. So now Tottenham and North, they are not good. Man U and Wolf not in same category. Man City not in same category. Luton and Everton not in same category. Burnley and Liverpool not in same category. Bournemouth and Fulham not in same category. Brighton and Crystal, they are in same category. Aston Villa, Brentford, they are in same category. Now Chelsea and Arsenal, both of them are in strong teams category. Aston Villa and Brentford, both of them are in balanced teams category. Brighton and Crystal Palace, both of them are in balanced teams category. West Ham and Newcastle, both of them are in balanced teams category. Now we have 3 teams. We have 3 now. 1, 2, 3. 3 selection now in same category. And one-on-one formula, which is one-on-one calculation, means selection of 2 teams that are in same category, which their odds pass media method strategy. Listen once again. One-on-one calculation, which is also known as one-on-one formula, states that it is the selection of 2 teams that are in same category which they pass media method strategy. And media method is the removing of smaller odd, higher odd, and odds that appear 2 times, and the middle odds among the remaining odds is the media method. So right now, as you can see here, all we have to do is to remove the highest odd here. We have 1.84 and 1.70. So the middle odds here, we have 1.58 and 1.68. So we are going for 1.58, which is Arsenal versus Chelsea. Now let's take the game. Arsenal versus Chelsea. So let's take the game right away. So that is exactly how to make use of one-on-one calculation. You are going to select all available matches that are in same category, and once you select them, just go for the one that pass the media method, which means the one that has the middle odds among your selection. The ones that have the middle odds among your selection, that is known as one-on-one calculation. So guys, let's quickly wait for the result right now. 1-0 Arsenal versus Chelsea. 1-0. We need 2 more goals to win the game. 2 more goals to win the game, making use of one-on-one calculation. And always remember that one-on-one calculation has 80% winning guarantee. When it comes to betting, nothing is 100%. Always put it in mind. That is the reason why I always send in my video that I give you winning guarantee of 7 to 8 winning out of 10 matches. You can't win all the game you play, so always put it in mind. If you win the first game, you can lose the second game, and if you lose the first game, you can win the second game, and you can also lose 2 times back to back, which means you can also win 3, 4 or more times back to back, because I give you 7 to 8 winning guarantee out of 10 matches. And if this formula doesn't work for you, it will surely work for someone else, because it depends on how you can calculate and how you can study with keen interest. So you can say Arsenal versus Chelsea 3-1. So we won the game successfully. Now let's go to the next match. This is the next match here, as you can see it on your screen. One-on-one calculation, also known as one-on-one formula, is to select 2 teams in same category. Brighton and Bournemouth, they are not in same category. Burnley and Arsenal, they are not in same category. Burnley is in balance, Arsenal is in strong. Chelsea and Man City, both of them are in same category. Chelsea is in strong team, Man City is also in strong team. Everton and Sheffield, they are not in same category. Fulham and Brighton, they are in same category. Both of them are in balanced team category. Liverpool and West Ham, they are not in same category. Liverpool is in strong, West Ham is in balanced team. Man U and Crystal, both of them are not in same category. Man U is in strong, Crystal is in balance. Newcastle and Aston Villa, both of them are in same category. They are in balanced team category. Tottenham and Luton, they are not in same category. Tottenham is in strong teams, Luton is in weak teams. So Wolf and North, they are not in same category. Wolf is in balanced team, North is in weak team. So we have only 2 teams, only 3 selection right now in same category. Chelsea versus Manchester City, both of them are strong teams. Fulham versus Brighton, both of them are in balanced team. Newcastle and Aston Villa, both of them are in balanced team. So we have 3 selection right now that pass one-on-one calculation. In order to select the actual one that pass the one-on-one calculation, all we have to do is to introduce media method, because media method is inside one-on-one calculation in order to get the accurate selection. Right now, what we have to do is to do what media method states: remove the lowest odd, highest odd, and odds that appear 2 times, and the middle odds among the remaining odds will be your media method. Right now, the lowest odd here among these 3 selection is Chelsea versus Man City, which is 1.55. The highest odd here is Fulham versus Aston Villa, which is 1.74. And the middle odds here is Newcastle versus Aston Villa, which is 1.66. As you all know that middle odds is media method. The middle odds is media method, which means we are going to select Newcastle versus Aston Villa. So we are going to remove the lowest odd, Man City versus Chelsea, the highest odd, Fulham versus Brighton, and the middle odds is the media method. If you watch the previous video on this channel, you will know that the media method is to go for the middle odds after removing the lowest, highest, and odds that appear 2 times. So Newcastle versus Aston Villa will be the game we are going to select right now. If we check the previous match, let's check the previous result in order to have full confidence on this match. Newcastle play 1-1 in previous match. West Ham versus Newcastle 1-1. Aston Villa versus Brentford, they also play 1-1. So you can see that both of them play go-go, but they doesn't play over 2.5, which means we have full confidence that they will play over 2.5, which means we can increase our stake here. We can increase our stake. We are going to win this match, so we can increase our stake right now. So we have placed the bet. Let's wait for the results in few minutes right now. So let me check the remaining time. Okay, we have only few seconds right now, few seconds. So Newcastle versus Aston Villa, we are going to win the game. So let's just wait for the match to start. So always put it in mind, nothing is 100% sure. That's the reason why I give you 80% winning guarantee. So Newcastle versus Aston Villa right now. So 0-0, 0-0 right now. So let's wait for the result. 1-0 right now. We need 2 more goals. Newcastle versus Aston Villa. 1-0 is this. Still 1-0 right now. We need 2 more goals to win this match. 2 more goals to win this match. 1-0 in first half. So we need 2 more goals to win this match. So always put it in mind, you are not going to win all the match you play. 2-0 right now, we need only 1 more goal because it is 80% guarantee, making use of any strategy or formula. Nothing is 100% in betting. So we need only 1 more goal to win this game. So it is 2-1 right now. We won the game successfully. So you can see it, we won the game successfully. Newcastle versus Aston Villa, the match end at 2-1. We win the second game successfully. Now let's place 1 more bet. So after the last bet, I'm going to end this video because I don't want it to have more length. So you can see it on your screen. This is 2-1 right now. We won the second game. So now let's quickly go to the next game. Let me check the ticket for you so you can see that we won the second game. So you can see it on your screen. This is 1.66, 600 naira to win 996 naira. This is 1.66. This is the ticket. You can see it 2-1. So we won the second game as well. So you can see the money has increased right now. As you can see, it has increased right now. So now let's select the last game, making use of one-on-one calculation. So 2 things in the same category. Arsenal and West Ham, they are not in same category. Arsenal in strong team, West Ham in balanced team. Aston Villa and Liverpool, they are not in same category. Aston Villa in balanced team, Liverpool in strong team. Brentford and Brighton, they are in same category. Both of them are in balanced team. Bournemouth and Newcastle, they are not in same category. Burnley and Man City, they are not in same category. Chelsea and Everton, they are not in same category. Fulham and Man U, they are not in same category. North and Luton, they are in same category. Both of them are in weak team category. So Tottenham and Sheffield, they are not in same category. Wolf and Crystal, they are in same category. Now we have only 3 selection in same category. Brighton and Brentford, they are in both of them are in balanced team category. North and Loot, both of them are weak team category. Wolf and Crystal Palace, both of them are in balanced team category. Now what we have to do is to introduce media method. So after getting the selection that are in same category, the next thing to do is to introduce media method. Without media method, one-on-one calculation is not complete. So all we have to do is to remove the highest odd, making use of media method, remove the lowest odd and odds that appear 2 times. If you say we have any odds that appear 2 times, make sure you remove them, because media method states remove the lowest odd, highest odd and odds that appear 2 times. So the middle odds among the remaining odd is media method. Right now, the highest odd here is 1.87, which is Brighton versus Brentford. We are going to remove it. The lowest odd here is Loot versus Nottingham versus Loot, 1.72. We are going to remove it. So the middle odds is Wolf versus Crystal Palace. Is the middle odds right here. Wolf versus Crystal Palace. Now let's check their result. Wolf and Crystal Palace. Their previous results, Wolf and Crystal Palace. So what's happened to this network? So let's check what happened to this network. Wolf and Crystal Palace. Wolf play 4-1. Nottingham beat Wolf in previous match 4-1. Man U beat Crystal Palace 2-0. So which means the best selection right here is over 1.5, which is 1.24. But they can also play over 2.5. But this over 1.5 has 90% winning guarantee, while over 2.5 has 60 to 70% winning guarantee. So now let's take this 5-8-3. So we can still win this game. This game can still win. But the best, in order to save your money, is to go for over 1.5. But I give them over 2.5. But the best is to give them over 1.5. So guys, it remains few seconds for the match to start. So let's quickly wait. So after this match, I'm going to end this video. So always take note, you can't win all the game you play, but you have winning guarantee of 7 to 8 out of 10 matches you play. So guys, let's quickly wait for the result. Wolf versus Crystal Palace 1-0 right now. We need 2 more goals, making use of one-on-one calculation. So this is one of the best formula. So this thing is free. But if to say I want to sell this thing, I can sell it for 10k, but I'm giving you free of charge. So don't have any negative vibes or bad energy using my strategy. I give you this video free of charge. I don't ask you to bring anything. So just do what? Just like and share this video and subscribe. You can see 2-0 right now. We need 1 more goal. That's the reason why I said they are over 1.5 is 90%. It is 90%, but they are over 2.5 is 60 to 70%. So we can still win over 2.5, but the over 1.5 is 90%. So we need only 1 more goal. So the game ends at 2-0. No, they haven't end, but they will still end at 2-0. So the game ended at 2-0. You can see we lost the 3rd game. That's the reason why I said that over 1.5 is 100% sure. It's 90%, I mean 90%, nothing is 100% sure. So it is 90% they play over 1.5. So if you say we play them over 1.5, we are going to win that game. But we lost because we play over 2.5, because over 2.5 is 60 to 70. Now let me quickly place one more bet. In order to recover that previous loss. That's the reason why I want to place one more bet. So Arsenal and Aston Villa are not in the same category. Bournemouth and Liverpool are not in the same category. Chelsea and Tottenham, both of them are in strong teams category. Crystal and Fulham, both of them are in balanced team category. Burnley and Everton are in the same category. Both are not, Luton are not in the same category. Man U not in the same category. Newcastle in the same category. North and Sheffield not in the same category. West Ham and Man City not in the same category. Now we have 4 selections in the same category now. Chelsea versus Tottenham, Crystal versus Fulham, Everton versus Burnley, and Newcastle versus Brighton. All we have to do is to introduce media method. We state remove the lowest odd, highest odd, and odds that appear 2 times. So the lowest odd here is Chelsea versus Tottenham. We are going to remove it. The highest odd here is Everton versus Burnley. We are going to remove it. So we don't have odds that appear 2 times. So the middle odds among the remaining odds is our media method, and we don't have up to 3 selection here. We have only 2 selection, and what we have to do is to go for the middle ones, the smallest one. I mean the smallest one, because we have only two. If to say we have three selection, that means we are going to select the middle, but we have only two selection, which means we are going to select the lowest one. So Newcastle versus Brighton will be our selection right away. So now let's check the previous result of Newcastle and Brighton. So Newcastle played 3-1. Burnley beat Newcastle 3-1 in previous match, where Brighton play 1-1 in previous match, which means both of them play go in previous match. Both of them score, they also concede. All we have to do in order to win this match is to increase our stake, making use of recovery formula. So we are going to change this game to 1k, because we lose 500 in previous match. So we are going to use 1k in order to recover the previous match, making use of one-on-one calculation. So recovery formula is on sharplilo.com and sharpestarena.com. Just visit www.sharplilo.com or sharpestarena.com in order to know more about recovery formula. So recovery formula works perfectly. Recovery formula is also known as Martingale formula. It works perfectly in order to recover your previous loss. So guys, let's quickly wait for this match to start right away. We have only few seconds. So let's quickly wait for the match to start right now. We have only few seconds. So let's quickly wait. So once we win this match, we are going to recover our previous loss. So this is the fourth game right now. We can see we won 2 games, we lost 1. That's the reason why I said you have 7 to 8 winning guarantee out of 10 games. You are not going to win all the match you play. So we won 2 and we lost 1. So what happened? Okay. So right now, okay, the match starts right now. So we play Newcastle versus Brighton. So you are not going to win all the match. That's the reason why I always said in my video, I gave a guarantee of 7 to 8 winning out of 10 matches. So 1-0 right now. We need 2 more goals. Newcastle versus Brighton. If you are making use of one-on-one calculation, over 1.5 is 90% guarantee. I'm telling you, their over 1.5 is 90% guarantee, while their over 2.5 is 60 to 70% guarantee. But their over 1.5 is 90, because they will surely deliver over 1.5. So 1-1 in first half. We need 1 more goal. Now 2-1, we won the game successfully. You can see we have recovered our previous loss right away. So Newcastle versus Brighton, this is 2-1. They play 1-1 in first half. This is 2-2 right now. They play 2-2 right now, making use of one-on-one calculation. So you can see 2-2 right now, Newcastle versus Brighton. So the match ends as 3-2. They play over 4.5. You can see 3-2 Newcastle versus Brighton. As you can see it on your screen, they play 3-2. So you can see this 2-3. You can see it on your screen. So we won the match right now. We have recovered our previous loss. Let's check the result. So you can see, boom, this is 1,007. We recover the previous loss and we make extra profit. You can see it on your screen. This is 2,200 naira. So that's how to make use of recovery formula in order to recover the previous loss and make extra profit. So I'm going to end this video. We play 4 games and we won 3 games. So that's an excellent result. 3 winning out of 4 games. And that is how my formula works. You have winning guarantee of 7 to 8 winning out of 10. So I have 101 formula. So this is 1 out of 101 formula. You can see that you still have more formula to learn. So that's the reason why you must subscribe to this channel and click the bell beside the subscription button in order to turn on the notification bell so you can get notification anytime we drop new video. Also like and share. If I don't see more likes and share on this video, I won't give you more tutorial, because this thing is free of charge. I don't ask you for anything. It is free of charge. So you must subscribe and like and share in order to get more free tutorial video. So don't have any negative vibes and don't have any bad energy making use of this formula. If it doesn't work for you, it will surely work for someone else. And always remember that betting is 50-50, and don't bet with what you can't avoid to lose. If you lose, that is your own. Don't stick with what you can't avoid to lose. It is very, very important. So guys, thanks for watching.